Have you ever got an ID then?
Why you keep lying?
Was it? Okay. What? Don't make it worse. Don't make it worse. Okay.
Relax.
Are you a missing person or something? Okay. Why'd you do all that? No, sorry doesn't cut it. You know the relationship between the police and the community out here ain't great, and you out and doing stupid stuff like that? That's dumb. Why would you do that?
On September 29, 2025, Sergeant Sebastian of the Akron Police Department initiated a traffic stop after discovering the vehicle's registered owner had a suspended driver's license. What followed raised questions about investigatory detention, the legal consequences of providing false identification, and the use of force during apprehension. This footage was obtained through a public records request. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 4507.02, operating a vehicle without a valid license is a criminal offense. A license plate check showing a suspended license provides reasonable suspicion for a traffic stop, though the officer must still verify who is actually driving. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, officers may order occupants out of a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop without additional justification. This 1977 Supreme Court ruling is a bright-line rule for officer safety.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing? I'm Sergeant Sebastian with the Akron Police Department. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good. Are you the registered owner of the car?
Yes.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, I do, but it's not on me.
Okay. You mind sitting back down in your car there for me, and we'll kind of get it figured out?
Are you Miss Jayla?
Yes.
You know you don't have a valid license here.
Yes. I was taking my cousin down the street. I don't know if he drive.
It's all good.
You got a driver's license on you, dear?
You got any info, hon?
On my car?
No, on you.
Like a driver's license, ID card, anything?
No.
You good? Where you coming from?
I'm from my mom's.
What's that?
From my mom's. I need to go.
From your mom's house? Yeah? Where's your mom live at?
Okay.
What's that?
Around the corner. Y'all scared me. I'm sorry.
You don't have to be
I've
scared.
never been stopped like this. I'm sorry.
Hey, listen. As long as you ain't got nothing crazy, a murder warrant, you have any firearms on the car, drugs, anything else like that, then I promise you you're going to be out of here in no time, okay? We're all just the same unit, dear. I promise you. I promise you. Like I said, you ain't got nothing crazy, then you're going to be out of here. I promise you. Because you don't have a valid license. When you run your tag, you're coming back not a valid driver. Okay?
That's fine. I got my temps, but I had to take my driver's test. Honestly.
How old are you?
20.
20.
I'm coming from my cousin's house right around the corner. I stayed down the street.
Is this your cousin?
Yeah.
That's where you picked her up from?
Yeah. It's right down the street. I was just trying to hurry up, but
it's all good.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
Good.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
You just told me you're 20.
So like the officer was saying, hey, hon? Like the officer was saying, we all work together. There's no guns or drugs or anything in the vehicle.
You wanna check it?
Yeah, if you wouldn't mind. Just do me a favor and step out. Technically, since you've already verbally told us you don't have a driver's license, we can detain you, but you're being cooperative, so we're not going to do that today. Okay?
I'm stepping out the car.
Listen, you're lying to me. Why are you lying? We're trying to get you out of here as soon as possible. You don't have to lie to us. So are you going to tell me the truth, or do I have to put you in cuffs and arrest you?
No, you don't.
All right, so
I already told you. That's my
if you got some petty warrant, I don't care about.
You have a valid temp, though, you said?
Yeah, I'm working on my test. I took it on the computer. I passed, but I got to go get it.
Yeah, so we'll get the copy of it?
Yeah, I got to go get the copy of it.
Who's this with you? Are they a valid driver?
No.
No?
Have you ever had a license, huh?
No, I'm a new driver, man.
Okay.
Well, I'm my house right down the street. Bacon.
That's where you're going, or you're taking her
I'm
there?
going.
Okay. Why would you say you're 20 if you're only 17? There's something that you need to be 20 for?
No, it ain't. I don't know, man. This was just kind of like, I've been on Facebook and I just see hella people pulling out on, they're just pulling out on cars. It was weird. So like,
When he comes back over here, tell him this is a terrible job here. You could have easily gotten around him and took off if you wanted to. For real. When he comes back over here, just do that. Do it for me, please. It'll amuse me. All right?
Hey, were you ever on Louisiana? Ever have police contact on the street of Louisiana?
don't know what that is. What are you asking now?
because I'm making sure you are who you say you are. When did you get your ID? Were you pregnant? Have a kid?
No.
Did you have a kid?
Yes.
And when you had your ID, when did you get your ID picture taken?
Probably like a year. Yeah.
Your ID picture that you gave us don't look like you.
When's the last time you got a driver's license?
I never had a driver's license.
You never had one?
So now you're
Or
lying.
well, have you ever got an ID then?
Why you keep lying?
When's the Okay. What?
Okay. Come back over here for me. Come here. Come here.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't make it worse. Don't make it worse.
Just
Okay.
Relax.
Are you a missing person or something? Okay. Why'd you do all that? Okay. Well, you just made things a lot worse for you. Why would you make us do that? Huh?
I don't know.
Come on, have a seat. No, sorry doesn't cut it. You know the relationship between the police and the community out here ain't great, and you out and doing stupid stuff like that? That's dumb. Why would you do that?
Under the Fourth Amendment, vehicle searches require consent, a warrant, or probable cause. A suspended license stop alone does not authorize a full vehicle search. Under Ohio Revised Code, Section 2921.29, providing false information to law enforcement during an investigation is a separate criminal offense. The accumulation of inconsistent statements about age and identity gave the officer legal grounds to extend the detention. When officers suspect identity fraud, they may use investigative techniques like referencing prior addresses or police contacts. If someone is using another person's identification, they typically won't know these details. This is a valid investigative approach under Terry v. Ohio. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.33, fleeing from police during a lawful stop constitutes resisting arrest. The use of physical control after a foot pursuit is reasonable force under Graham v. Connor, which established that force must be judged from the officer's perspective at the scene. Missing person reports are not criminal matters. Police simply confirm the person is safe and notify the reporting party. There is no arrest for being a missing person. This misunderstanding may have motivated the decision to flee.
Cousin?
Why would you f***ing run, bro?
All right, listen. It's water under the bridge right now. Are you okay? It's water under the bridge right now. Okay. We need to That means I'm not gonna be mad at you for right now. Okay. You made a dumb mistake. Hopefully, you just learned from that lesson. All right. It could be a lot worse. Don't do that stuff. Don't put us in that predicament again. You understand me? Please don't do that. All because you're a missing person. Yeah?
She didn't even follow yet, though.
Okay, so what are you so concerned about? Who are you actually?
That's my name. You could.
Okay, yeah, you're not coming up as a missing person.
Cause she didn't call you. I just got into
Then
it
you
and
would
fought my mom
listen.
earlier.
Then
That's
you
why I was so
listen.
scared.
Then
I
you,
didn't know
Miss Summers, listen. Then you would have been out of here. If you're not labeled as a missing person, we don't do anything.
You didn't know that. I just got into it with my mom this
Okay,
morning.
but listen, we can help with that. If there's concerns about you and your mom, there's stuff that we can do to help with that. But running from the police like you just did, that's not good. Okay? So this happened over on Louisiana?
No, where?
And my mom's around the corner.
What's the address?
I don't know the exact address. I could take you there, though.
What's
I really
the street
don't.
name?
I don't know the exact street either. She
All right,
just-
listen.
she literally
This
just
is going to
moved
be the
there.
difference between you going to Dan Street today.
No, she literally just moved down. Tell her I could take you there, but I don't know the address. She
Okay.
You gotta
literally just
fight with
moved
your
there.
mom.
Yes.
Did the cops come?
I don't know. I left. I don't know. I left before.
What? Why'd you run?
I don't know.
I still don't think that's her. You obviously know who she is, and you're refusing to tell
I'm
us.
not refusing.
We've asked you how many times.
If anything, you're probably going to help
Can y'all grab my phone? Oh, it's my
more
phone.
than yourself.
And they can fingerprint you. We'll find out who you are. Are
When we
you?
take you to Dan Street and they fingerprint you, you're going to come up as.
Yes, or we could just go to my mom's. I could take her around the corner and she could identify.
Well, it doesn't seem like you want to go to your mom's.
I do. We can go there. I can take you there. I promise you, I'll take you there. I
This
could
is
take you
silly.
there. Please. Because I got
Hang
a
on,
baby.
hang on,
I got
hang
a
on.
little baby. I just didn't want to. I don't know what's going on. I got a little baby in my mom, and I don't have no support. So, if I go
Listen,
to
Miss
Dan
Miss
Street or
Tracy.
anything,
Miss Tracy. What part did you think that this is going to help you in your situation?
I don't know. I wasn't thinking.
You can't be doing that stuff.
I got a baby, a little baby. If I go to jail, I don't know what the happened. My mom worked all day, every day. I'm sorry that I ran, but really, honestly, that's why I ran, because I got a baby. I'm thinking nothing about but my kid.
Okay.
I can't.
Well, listen, all that stuff could be sorted out with us. You can tell us that stuff, okay? Go ahead. And plus, if you came up as a missing person, we just take you home. We don't take you to jail for that. We just take you home.
I'm gonna call EMS to take a look at you. Okay, we have to. Well, I understand, but we have to do it just so when they show up here, you're not freaked out.
That?
I did.
You?
Yeah, I wasn't gonna
so
push
sorry.
you down or
I swear
nothing.
I'm so sorry. Like I
It's
know
all
you probably
right.
don't
We just need to
really
we need to
care.
make better decisions. Okay. So when you see EMS pull up, that's what they're doing. They're here to check you out. You don't have to freak out or be upset. You do your thing. Okay.
Yeah, black female, be sure to that's what he said.
Miss,
What? I don't want your phone in my face. No.
Listen,
no,
I need
no.
to take a picture of you.
I don't care.
We gotta identify you.
I don't care. I don't want that fucking phone in my face. You already got all these cameras in my face. Move.
Yeah,
I
can stand here all day.
And I can too. So what?
Why can't we just work
I
together?
don't want your phone in my face. You already got all these cameras in my face. Leave me the alone.
Alright, I mean, I'll just use your picture from the camera.
Okay, cool.
What is going on? Why are you being like that? We're being like this because you ran.
Why did I run? Because y'all pulled it up on this pin.
No, you ran because you thought you had a warrant or were coming up as a missing person, as you originally stated. And if you remember me telling her that if everything was okay, you guys were going to get let go. So I don't know why you're acting like we're the devil here. You're the one that decided to run. This is her. I found her. Elena. She's got a warrant. Contempt of court. And she's 22. So she's going to county today. I'll start her care. She's got a warrant for improper discharge. Contempt of court, improper discharge, a theft.
Improper discharge?
2021. It's 2026. Leave me the alone. Y'all got me. Now take me to jail.
1639.
Finally, them heads. Yeah. Because I got a great support system. Ass.
Oh my God.
Them heads.
You want to search the car?
Go with y'all stupid ass white people. Ass. I got a great ass support system. Dumb ass. What's wrong with you? I spit on everybody in it.
Don't do that, please.
Don't ever disrespect me. Ass.
Miss Timon.
Fuck. No. I don't give a about none of that. Ass. I'm tired of y'all dumb ass white people. My kids will never go with y'all.
I'm not.
Evil ass people.
I'm not white. I'm biracial.
And I ain't talking to you then. My kids will never get took away. They're dumb, slow, or high. What you talking about? I got more, man. My support system is fucking great.
Buddy. All right, so improperly discharging, theft, anything else?
Failed to appear on larceny, and then she's got a failed to appear on a PV hearing.
On a DV?
PV.
All right, Lieutenant Sinsley, it is 5:02. I'm at the Exchange and Dodge at the Gas and Save. What's your name, ma'am? What is it?
What is you recording?
It's just a recording because I'm interviewing about what happened out here. Did you see what happened between the officers and the passenger from your vehicle?
Yes.
What happened?
Try to run.
She tried to run. Do you know why?
I'm not about to be in court for that. No, I don't know why.
So what happened when she tried to run?
Y'all caught her?
Was there any? Did they tackle her? Did they throw her to the ground? Did they use any force or strikes on her?
Why was the ambulance here? Did they?
Well, we just like to get people checked out anytime that, like that dent in the car. I want to make sure it wasn't injuring
You
her.
asked permission to put that camera in my face? That's rude. Like, I don't like that.
I told you I'm going to conduct a recorded interview with you.
I
You want me to hold it down here?
No, I don't want you. I want you to get that camera on my face.
All right. Anything you saw that was relevant to the investigation that I should be aware of?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Are you a valid driver?
Of course not. They just gave me a ticket.
Okay. Is that your vehicle? And your name? Okay. Anything else I need to know?
No.
All right, end of the interview is 5:03. Lieutenant Sinsley, it's 5:04. I'm still at Exchange and Dodge, Gas and Save, rear of 214. Ma'am, what's your name? I got an interview about what happened. What is your name?
Oh, I'm not no. What? This is not no about no interview? What y'all trying to put me on YouTube or something, bro? Watch out, bro.
This is for our body worn camera, man.
No, y'all got all them cameras. Move
Okay,
out of my face. No.
Did the
No, no fucking interview, bro. What the
okay?
fuck?
Did the damage to the vehicle,
No,
the cruiser?
bro.
Do you remember how that happened?
No. How the fuck did I damage? He slammed me into it. I didn't go into the cruiser.
Okay. Why did that happen?
Because I ran. I tried to run.
Why'd you try to run?
I tried to run because I got warrants. You know why I tried to run, bro. Get out of my face.
What kind of warrants?
Bro, leave me alone. Bro, leave me alone. Bro,
Are you okay right now?
No, I'm not. I'm not okay at all. I'm not. Leave me the alone. I'm not saying shit else to you. Period. Period.
You got checked by EMS, right?
No, I don't care about nothing that you're saying. Leave me the alone.
All right.
Period.
Enter the interview.
Yes.
Under Terry versus Ohio, police may detain someone as long as reasonably necessary to confirm or dispel suspicions. Here, the subject's own conflicting statements and flight created the reasonable suspicion justifying extended detention. Outstanding warrants provide independent legal authority for arrest, completely separate from any traffic violation. Had the subject provided truthful identification initially, she would have been arrested on these warrants anyway. Flight added a resisting arrest charge without changing the outcome. Professional police departments conduct witness interviews after any use of force incident to document what occurred. This creates a record for incident reports and potential court proceedings. Under the Fifth Amendment, suspects have the right to refuse to answer questions. However, distinguishing between physical compliance and verbal cooperation is crucial. Physical resistance worsens outcomes, while exercising the right to silence is legally protected. Sergeant Sebastian and the Akron Police Department receive a B+. The traffic stop was legally justified under Ohio law. The investigation into identity was reasonable under Terry versus Ohio, given the inconsistent statements. The use of force was appropriate under Graham versus Connor. The subject was actively fleeing, justifying the takedown and handcuffing. The officers maintained professional demeanor despite verbal abuse and ensured proper medical evaluation and documentation. However, the early statement that minor issues wouldn't be pursued may have inadvertently encouraged dishonesty. When false information was provided, immediately explaining legal consequences under Ohio Revised Code, Section 2921.29, might have prevented escalation. Additionally, foot pursuits in commercial areas with vehicle traffic require risk assessment, weighing offense severity against public safety concerns. The subject, Elena, receives a D. Providing false names and ages violated Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.29. Fleeing when called back constitutes resisting arrest under Section 2921.33, adding a serious charge. The foot pursuit placed everyone at risk and forced a physical confrontation that was avoidable. Running from police virtually never improves a legal situation. She deserves credit for not physically resisting after apprehension and eventually exercising her Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. However, the better approach would have been honest identification, physical compliance with lawful orders, verbal assertion of rights, and silence regarding questions beyond basic identification. Understanding that physical compliance does not require verbal cooperation is crucial. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.